How to use a horizontal bandsaw. In this video, your host, Andrew Spencer, will demonstrate the proper and safe use of a horizontal bandsaw. As always, please like and subscribe. Okay, let's get started right now.
Okay, horizontal bandsaw. First thing we do is we look at the controls, make sure that nothing's broken, damaged. We check the condition of our e-stop. Okay, our controls here, we have on, off, coolant is on, off, or wash. Wash meaning that it turns the pump on without the blade running. Okay, what I'm going to do here, our other controls here are hold, feed, and rapid down. Hold meaning that it will stay in position theoretically forever. Feed is our controlled descent, and we use this flow control valve to be able to adjust the speed of the feed. Rapid down is a bypass, and it just goes down with gravity. Okay, so when we set our material up, we put our material on the stock side or the left side. That's the infeed portion of the table. We just roughly put it into where we think our cut length is. We have a slide vise here, and we push our vise up against the material and push everything into order. What I like to do is I like to bring the blade down to just hover over top of the material, but not making contact. And what that is to do is I can measure the length of my material most accurately that way. So I put my tape measure up against the right side of the blade so that I'm not actually measuring the lost material by the kerf of the saw. Okay, so I make my adjustment to my material length. Push my vise up against the material, square it up to the vise back, and then I lock this cam lock all the way till it stops. What that does is it turns the cam, it locks the vise in fully and grabs the material in a safe manner. Now what I do is I just double check my feed before I get started. I press start. I turn on my coolant. Adjust my coolant to be able to cool and wash the blade. Now what I do is I adjust my feed. So with feed in 0, I put it in feed, and then I adjust my descent to, I'm going to go like 1.5 on this cut to see how it reacts. I can make an adjustment on the coolant as the blade changes if I need to. Then I wait for the saw to finish the cycle. There's a limit switch at the bottom of the cycle which turns off the saw. I wait for the saw to stop turning. Now I lift the cutting arm of the saw. I put the feed lever back into the hold position so it doesn't creep down on my hand while I'm clearing the vise. Okay, hold. I move my cut material. I unlock my vise. Open my vise and return my stock to the material rack, or I feed it through for the next cut.
And don't forget, if you want to see other great videos, check out my YouTube channel, Shop in Math. And a special shout out to our awesome presenter, Andrew Spencer. And always, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out. Just click on the icon on my face and I'll do the rest. Have an awesome night. Thanks for watching.